Divide 411 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 8 is 40. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 1 and it is 11. 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 10 and 5 times 2 is 10. On subtracting, we get 0. So 411 divided by 5 is 82 decimal 2. So this much for today and thanks for watching.